Hello everyone and welcome to today's programming Arduino lesson, where we're going to be working on developing a ultrasonic sensor project with a display on the LCD. So here is the wiring of the circuit. Pause here if you'd like, just to kind of get a good understanding of it, where we utilize the 4 pins on an LCD along with 4 pins on a ultrasonic sensor and how they connect to the Arduino Uno. So let's get into a quick assembly montage of us putting everything together for the components and showing the finished product. So now let's get into the code of this project. So here is the IDE programming code to have everything function as intended. It's perfect timing to note that this project originated from the Sunfounder Sensor Kit v2.0 Arduino project. You can find the libraries for this project and others on their educational page for lessons regarding Arduino Uno, along with the assembly and the code. So that's a very good source to refer to. If you'd like, I can leave a link in my description down below if you'd like to take a look at it. But it kind of walks you through the assembly and the code as well to get more in depth. But if you'd like to just copy the code here, that would be perfect, and have the code function in the Arduino program function as intended. Now once we have everything assembled, the IDE code uploaded to the Arduino Uno, we can get to testing. So here's what you guys will get the final result as, where you can put your whole hand in front of the ultrasonic sensor, and as you adjust the distance from the sensors, the display will change the distance in centimeters, ranging from all the way down from 0 up to numbers such as 20. I think the max distance was 400, but just to be more accurate, I just kind of kept it in the low single digits to the teens. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you guys in another video.